We have a group of women who are part of the Mother Bear Project, where we knit bears for children with AIDS in Africa. It was started by a woman in Minneapolis, and our group got started several years ago. And I am not one of the rapid knitters, but I plug away at it, and we're reaching 2,000 bears that have been sent to children with AIDS. I thought at first, why are we sending bears? Why aren't we sending clothing or medicines or medical supplies? Until I saw the photos and the letters of these children, many of whom, or most of whom, are orphans, and who have never had anything that was theirs alone. And these bears are the only object that they can claim for their own. And we even had a letter from a 10-year-old child who knew he was dying, saying that he wanted to be buried with his bear. So I knit bears.